Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 9.5 question number 7. Using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, find 51 square minus 49 square. Let us find question number 1. Question number 1 here is 51 square minus 49 square. We'll use this identity a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, that is 59 plus 49 into 51 minus 49, that we are getting 51 plus 49, 9 plus 1 10, carry 1 it is 0, 4 plus 1 5 plus 5 10, 100 into 51 minus 49, it is 49 into 2, that means we are getting answer 2 into 100 is 200, and that is answer of question number 1. Right? To solve question number 2. Question number 2 is 1.02 whole square minus 0.98 whole square. It is a square minus b square. This is a plus b into a minus b. It can be written as 1.02 plus 0.98 into 1.02 minus 0.98. Right? That we are getting. If we add this one, we are getting 1.02 and 0.98 0.98. 8 plus 2 10, carry 1 it is 0, 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, that is 2, that is we are getting 2 into, here we subtract this one, it is 1.02 minus 0.98 0.98, 8 plus 4 12, carry 1 and 1 10, 0 and 10, that is 0.04. We are getting 0.04, 2 into 0.04. If we multiply 0.04 with 2, 0.04 with 2, then we are getting 4 to the 8, 200, 200, that is 0.08. Therefore, the answer we are getting is 0.08. Getting is 0.08, and that is the answer of question number 2. Right? Now we'll solve question number 3. Here you see that question number 3 is 153. 153 square, 153 square minus 147, 47. We'll use this identity a plus b into a minus b. That is 153 plus 147 into 153 minus 147 minus 147. Therefore, we are getting, if we add this one, it is 153 and 147. 7 plus 3 is 10, carry 1 it is 0, 4 plus 1 5 plus 5 10, carry 1 it is 0, 1 to 3, that is 300. We are getting 300 into, if we subtract 153 minus 147 minus 147 7 6 13. Carry 1 4 plus 1 5 5 5 0 1 1 0. There is 6 into 6. Or you are getting the answer 3 6 18 0 0. That is the answer of question number 3. That is 1800. Right? That is the answer of question number 3. Now let's solve question number 4. Let's see question number 4 here is question number 4 is 12.1 12.1 whole square minus 7.9 whole square. We will use this identity that a square minus b square a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, we are getting 12.1 plus 7.9 plus 7.9 into 12.1 minus 7.9 7.9. We add this one, this 12.1 with 7.9 with 7.9, then we are getting 9 plus 1 10, carry 1 it is 0, carry 1 7 plus 1 8 9 10 0, carry 1 2, that is 20.0. Then we are getting 20.0 or 20 into, if you subtract this one, this is 12.1 minus 7.9 19.2, carry 1 7 plus 8 4, that is 4.2. 20 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2. If we multiply this one 4.2 with 2, that is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 84, and 1 0 is there. If you multiply with 20, then 840, we are getting 84. Therefore, the value is 84. And that is the answer of question number 4. This is the answer of question number 4. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.